Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today I have come to review a product for you which I possibly am not going to use ever again. So this is basically all about a negative review of a certain product that I have been using for some time. So without further ado, let's get started. Today I would be reviewing Ayur toner for you. This comes in this pink bottle, and this is Ayur herbal skin toner with aloe vera for all skin types, and it says it gives you that natural glow. Well, glow or not, what I was looking for in my toner was that it would hydrate and give an instant freshness on my skin, because I have sensitive skin. I get acne bumps at certain times of the summer month, and I was actually looking for a toner which would calm down my skin and relieve my skin of its problems. But well, what should I say about this toner? This was a big disappointment, guys. I was looking for something which would be affordable on my pockets as well. This cost me only 50 rupees, but I would still say not all things affordable are good for your skin. Whatever you buy, I mean, it matters. You know, you get Himalaya toners which are priced at around 70 priced within 70 to 100 rupees, but they have been wonderful on my skin. I mean, they have been affordable, they have been skin friendly also. But Ayur was a brand which I have never used before. I had seen it in my local store and I thought of giving it a try. If it had turned out good, I would definitely have recommended it for everyone out there. But no, guys, this is a big thumbs down for me. It says it has aloe vera, rose water, natural moisturizers. It safeguards your skin against acne, atmospheric microbes, harsh effects of sun rays. Basically, everything which a toner does is this. Plus, it says it reduces the pore size temporarily, tightens the skin muscles, which makes your skin feel refreshed and invigorated. Now, the saying is, well, the saying is just like it says for a toner, it says for all toner. But for Ayur, whenever I open this bottle, this has this heavily alcoholic scented pink liquid, which I refuse to further use it on my skin because I used it in tiny amounts just to test it, and it immediately gave me such a burning sensation. So definitely that was a big turn down for me. Then it smelled heavily of alcohol, and anything which has got a certain amount of alcohol, I would not be using it on my skin. I mean, at least not on my face. Alcohol basically dries out your skin. It depletes your skin of natural moisture. Even if you have oily skin, a product which contains a huge amount of alcohol, it will instantly dry out that natural oil balance of your skin, and this will lead to acne bumps, blackheads, whiteheads and whatnot. I'm not going to use this, at least not on my face. I'll have to use it on any other part of my body like my hands or my neck area, but not on my face. Plus, another thing which I want to say is that if you are looking for a paraben free product, this is not the product to go for, guys. This has methyl parabens, propyl parabens, heavy fragrance, and it has got colors. So use it anywhere but not on your face. If it suits your skin, well, I've got nothing to say about it, but I would suggest you to not use it. And if you have already bought it, please do a patch test on your elbows. So one product which I am not going to buy ever is this, until and unless they improve on their ingredient list, they improve on their color, they stop using this pink artificial color, and they do away with the scent, they do away with this artificial perfume. I do not have a sensitive nose, guys, but the smell really bothered me. It was like irritating. It smelled immediately when I opened the bottle. It smelled of alcohol, and the packaging is like you need to carry cotton buds to apply it on your face. I wanted something in a spray form, but well, this is not hygienic also, and it's not travel friendly. If you forget to buy cotton pads, then it's of no use. You cannot just apply it directly just like that because it doesn't have a pump tube. So guys, if you have used this on your face without any issue, do let me know, because I have been having serious issues with this. Plus, if you want to use it and you have any queries about it, you can write to me on the link below. Guys, take care, and I'll see you soon with my next video.